point your browser in that direction, you'll find more about what we have talked about, plus a whole lot of other things. So ConsumerWatchdog.org. And if you've missed all of that, you'll find it here, myfoxla.com. Just click that, look for the Midday Sunday logo, and you'll have all this information there just as well. What do we need to say to wrap this program up? We got about 2 minutes left.
Well, I think it's just exciting times for health care and for health insurance, and as frustrated as people are, I think they have to realize part of it's growing pains, and we can make things better at the state level. And in addition to the ballot measures we talked about, which our affiliate Consumer Watchdog campaign is working on, there's also a couple more ballot measures that unions are passing to limit how much hospital executives can be paid. That may go on the ballot. To limit how much can be charged by hospitals, which the public, that may go on the ballot. I think it's going to be an exciting ballot for direct democracy, and I think the public just has to take the time to look through the ballot pamphlet and figure this out for themselves.
I don't want to get you too wound up because we have just a little bit of time, but you've used this phrase direct democracy a couple of times. That's really important, and it makes a lot of sense.
It does. We're still feeling the shocks from 25 years ago in the insurance reform. We've seen the savings. They haven't been able to undo it, and we need to do that again. We need to show the special interests in Sacramento that every once in a while the people can go to the ballot and fix things, because in the interim, that will mean Sacramento, once the FBI is through there, will be a lot cleaner and a lot better, and they'll worry about the ballot initiative the next time. We actually will get more traction in the legislature if every once in a while we can pass something landmark by the voters that's good for democracy and defies the status quo.
Anybody ever thought about making illegal lobbying?
Probably violate some First Amendment rules.
Well, yeah. He's an attorney, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah,
I'm not actually, but I live with enough of them to know that.
There you are. Okay. Okay.
But no, I think lobbying's okay. The problem is money. The power of money over that process is staggering in Sacramento. I've seen it. And even the good people don't want to get on the sides of the people who they're not necessarily friendly with. So we just never have enough votes for something great until we have a moment like I think this year's ballot, where if voters and consumers stand up for 10 years, it will be felt in Sacramento, and we'll have much better legislation just because there's the threat that we'll go back to the people and do something really significant.
Why don't you have a law degree?
I never had time. I started canvassing for insurance reform, and it got me going.
Well, yeah, okay. Well, I was never a member of the Boy Scouts, so look, this is going. It's a good thing the program is over with because we're going off in directions we don't want to go. Jamie, thank you very much for being with us as always. And again, it's ConsumerWatchdog.org. We'll see you back here next week. Be part of the democracy.